Stop using motion blur in every transition. If you use motion blur in your transitions, the blur will not follow the direction of the transition. If you want your blur to look better, use this method. First, create an adjustment layer. To learn how to create an adjustment layer, you can watch my previous video. First, let's fix the blur for transitions that zoom to the right. On the adjustment layer, we add zoom blur. You can follow my steps. For the incoming transition, do the opposite of the outgoing transition with the center at 0. Next, for slide transitions, we will use a different effect for the blur. Here we will use directional blur. As usual, you can follow my steps. Lastly, if you have twitch shake or wiggle shake in your edit, you can use motion blur, but make sure the motion blur is only active when the shake happens. You can follow my steps. A little tip, if you want your blur to look even better, you can use the lens blur effect available in After Motion. If you are using the original Alight Motion, I have already made a video about lens blur. Last tip, you can add the RSMB effect in After Effects. Maybe you can ask a friend who has After Effects to add the RSMB effect to your edit. Thank you for watching until the end. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments section.